Okay, parents, now that you are in MAP, it looks like this, remember? You're inside their map, and you see all kinds of things that they need to get into, right? You're going to see the most important one that we use every day, which is going to be Google Classroom, all right? It's the one that, I can't have a hard time pointing, right there. It's this one right here. He has like a chalkboard outline of a person with a green chalkboard behind him. That's a Google Classroom, okay? You're going to click that, and that is going to take you somewhere interesting, okay? The first thing you're going to see is this. You do not need to have email or password for this. You don't need to do that, okay? Your child is already hooked into this. There's no need for email or password. So please push skip. Now, you can see the choices that you have to go to. All right, there's Lockwood, there's North Newton Music, and there's another crazy one for social studies. I have no idea what that is. I did not create that. Okay, don't go to that one. So you always go to the purple Lockwood, okay? Because these are different Google Classrooms other people have created. Like Ms. Sharp created this for music, but we're not in music now, so we don't do that. But you need to go to Lockwood, the purple one. Okay, so second grade Lockwood. Okay, it looks like this. This is what it looks like. It's gorgeous, isn't it? All right. And there's three things at the top. There's streaming, there's classroom, and there's people. When your child first logs in the day, they're going to go stay in streaming, because they're going to stream about something. It means they're going to make a comment that's live for everybody to go look at, okay? So they're going to look here, and I'll show you what they're going to do. I always put a question. Every teacher has the same question because we did it together, okay? It's called our daily check-in. All right? So you're going to look at the daily check-in. This will start on Friday if you have not done this yet. It starts on Friday. Most parents have already done this. Thank you. Daily check-in, except for my B students, and you did that today in class. So, but they do have to do it on Friday. I'll talk about this in another video, okay? So we're going to go below it where there is room to comment. There's like a gray person with no comment on it. You go below the question and you find the gray person with no comment, and that's where you click beside it and you answer it. So the question that, or your child answers it, you don't answer it, of course. Your child is going to answer it. But I just need you to know how to do it so you can help them. The question was, what do you like to play? The last person who answered said ball. What is your answer? You type it in this box right here. And when you're done, you don't press enter, you press this little arrow. It looks like a little paper airplane. That means it's posted on the screen. Okay? So that means you checked in for the day. I know you are doing your work. Now, I'm still going to look at your other work, but I know that you came to school and you're doing your work. This is counting as your attendance and part of your work, okay? So I know you're working. All right. That's how you get into there. And then there'll be an assignment for tomorrow that talks about getting into SchoolNet. All right. And we will talk about that next.